How to update Instagram to newest version. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how to update Instagram to newest version. So without any further delay, let's get started. If your application is missing out any update, you will be able to encounter bugs and glitches in your application. Now to update it, the best method will be going through the Play Store. So for that, open the Play Store in your device. After that, navigate to search icon from the bottom right corner and then tap on search bar. And in the search bar, type in Instagram. If you are able to find an update option next to Instagram, tap on it and then your Instagram application will get updated to its newest version. But if not, if that's already updated and still you're encountering some glitches in your application. Now, to force update in your device, what you have to do is open up settings in your device. Then tap on apps. Tap on see all apps and using the search icon from the top right corner, search for Instagram application. That's gonna take you to app info page of Instagram. Scroll down a bit and then tap on storage and cache. Then what you have to do is you have to clear the cache. After you do that, and then your Instagram is again updated. If that still doesn't help you, uninstall the application and install it from Google Play Store. And you will have the newest version of Instagram installed in your device. So that's the way to update Instagram to newest version, and that's it for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.